Welcome to Endicott Arm.
And at the end of this arm, we're going to be looking at the Dawes Glacier in Alaska.
Come join us as we view the glacier.
It's incredible to see the mountains on either side around it, and this is evidence of the glacier movement over the caps, rounding them off and scraping along the walls. And this made a U-shaped valley. We want to ask our fellow travelers and geocachers what they think of the glacier.
It's cool.
It's cool.
It's so cool.
It's so cool. It's cool.
It's cool.
It's really hard to describe it. You're coming in, you see the bits as you're coming up the inlet, the small bits that have come off it as we're getting in. Bits get bigger and bigger as you're getting closer, and then you see this wall of ice in front of you, and you're going, how close is the ship going to get to it?
Well, thanks to the earth cache that's here, I feel quite knowledgeable about the glacier that we're viewing. Without giving anything away.
Yeah. There were 5 questions, and one of them was a photo, so you only had 4 questions to answer.
Blocks of ice with that intense color and just the size and scale of everything that we see here it's just really incredible.
You don't want to get too close, but you want to get closer. Give the ship a helicopter and fly us all on top of it.
So it's nice to know exactly what we're looking at, and the color is the blue is so blue. It's really nice.
Yeah.
It's really stunning. Definitely.
But yeah, you're right. It's really neat to get the information that are in earth caches, because most of what you needed for the answers for that were in the description. And of course, the announcer here on the ship told us some information that the earth cache didn't, so we got lots of information on what a glacier is like, and we hope that you enjoyed coming along with us. Now they're spinning the ship completely around, so the starboard side of the ship is getting a view of the glacier as we turn. And then we get a good view of the rocks around us, and again how they're carved soft on the top, and they have striation lines on them. They're really cool. When you study glacial features and stuff in school, or as you read it in earth cache descriptions, you learn a lot about the history of our planet.
Alaska. Love the glacier. It's very cool. And great
how they just spun it around.
Yes, true.
The view of the
Thank you.
Keep watching, there's more caches to be found.
Where will geocaching take you?
They're very rarely seen would be the blue whale. Just big for it. And of course, he was criticized for taking a flying Alaska. Stewart quality, Stewart ice baller. They didn't understand why he wanted Alaska. Alaska had nothing. But like the Russians, they didn't see the resources Alaska was offering. And they obviously thought that the Alps was the biggest resource, not knowing.